In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Amazon products on TikTok Shop. We'll walk through choosing a product on Amazon, gathering the right details, and creating a proper listing inside your TikTok Shop account. The goal is to do this the right way without linking out to Amazon while keeping everything clear for buyers and compliant with TikTok Shop policies. Start by opening the Amazon website and searching for a specific product you want to sell. Pick something you can actually get your hands on quickly. Look at stock availability, delivery times to you, and customer reviews so you know what buyers care about most. Pay attention to variations like size or color, and make sure you can supply the exact version you plan to list. Authenticity matters, so stick to legitimate, verifiable products. Next, copy the essential product details you'll need for your listing. Capture the product name, key specifications, dimensions, materials, compatibility notes, and what's included in the box. Use these as references for your TikTok listing, but write your description in your own words to keep it original and clear. If you take images from Amazon, make sure you have the right to use them. Ideally, take your own photos once you have the item on hand. Clear, well-lit pictures and a concise feature rundown help buyers trust your listing. Now head over to your TikTok Shop account and open the Seller Center. Go to the Products section and select Add Products. This is where you'll enter everything you collected. Fill in the product title with accurate keywords buyers would search for, provide a straightforward description that highlights the benefits and the key specs, and upload photos or a short video showing the item clearly. Choose the correct category and attributes so the listing surfaces in the right place. Set your price, stock quantity, and shipping details, including your handling time. Avoid using external links or referring buyers to Amazon. TikTok Shop listings must stand on their own. Make sure you physically have the product on hand. TikTok Shop does not allow you to list an item with a link that sends buyers directly to Amazon. You can act as a middleman by purchasing from Amazon and then shipping to your TikTok customers, but the listing itself must be created and fulfilled within TikTok Shop. Once you've double-checked all the details, click Submit for review. TikTok will review the listing for accuracy and policy compliance. If it's returned for adjustments, fix the noted issues and resubmit. After approval, your product will be live and ready for orders.